Okay, Mark, stay calm. It is just a date with Sarah. She is incredible. You need to say something romantic in English, something poetic. Okay, here goes. Sarah, you look amazing tonight. Seriously. Your eyes, how do I say this? Your eyes are beautiful. They are the apples of my face.
Stop. Pause the date right now. Mark, what are you doing? Look at her face. She is terrified.
What? I tried to use that idiom, the apple of my eye, but she has two eyes, so I said apples, and they are on her face. It makes sense logically.
No, Mark. Logic is what ruined this. You cannot translate idioms literally. When you said apples of my face, she imagined literal fruit stuck to your head. It is not romantic, it is weird. The correct phrase for someone you cherish is, "You are the apple of my eye." Singular, even if they have two eyes. Just say, "Sarah, you look stunning tonight." Keep it simple before she runs away.
Okay, simple is good. But I also want to sound cool, like a native speaker. I read some slang in an old textbook I found. Watch this. So, Sarah, this restaurant is totally tubular, right? I'm glad we came. And honestly, you are all that and a bag of chips.
Oh no. Mark, stop talking. Please, I'm cringing so hard right now.
What? Was it not cool? All that and a bag of chips means she's awesome. It's classic slang.
It was classic slang in 1995. You sound like a grandfather trying to be cool at a disco. If you use slang that old, people will laugh at you, not with you. If you want to say she's awesome today, just say, "You have a great vibe," or "You are amazing." Forget the bag of chips, Mark. Throw the chips away.
Okay, no old slang. Got it. Whew, this is hard work. Oh, good. The waiter is here. I'm starving. I know exactly what I want. I want a big steak. Man food. Waiter, yes, hello. I would like the T-bone steak, please. And I want it cooked very little. I want it very bloody, like a vampire's dinner.
No, Mark, stop. Do not ask the waiter for a vampire dinner. You're going to get us kicked out.
But I want it red inside. In my language, we say it has blood.
I know, but in English, if you ask for it bloody, it sounds disgusting and aggressive, like a horror movie. You need the correct terms for steak doneness. If you want it basically raw inside, it's called rare. If you want a little red center, it's medium rare. If you want it gray and tough like an old shoe, that is well done. Just ask for medium rare, like a normal person, please.
Okay, rare, medium rare, well done. Got it. Let me try again. Sarah, you look stunning tonight. You have a great vibe. Waiter, I'll have the T-bone steak, medium rare, please.
Yes! Look at that! She's smiling. The waiter is not terrified. You did it, Mark. You survived a date in English without sounding like a weirdo from the 90s.
Thanks, Alice. Guys, don't be like the old Mark. Don't use Google Translate logic on dates. It's dangerous.
Exactly. If you want to learn real English that actually connects with people and avoid these disasters, subscribe to Global English Podcast for You. Hit that like button if you felt secondhand embarrassment from Mark today. See you next time.